Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to redirect our domain to another website or URL or IP in hosting or hosting. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see domain, so click on it. So this is our domain portfolio and this is our domain, and then click on manage. So we are in domain overview. On left side you see DNS name server, so click on it. And then you see redirect, so again click on it. And then you see redirect manage in website setting, and then you see manage redirect button, so click on it. Now you see protocol, create a redirect, so you can select protocol. So this is a redirect domain. If you want, you can redirect your folder, any file path, so it's up to you. But we are going to redirect main domain, so we don't add any path. And then you see redirect to URL or IP, so you can add IP address or you can add URL, select protocol, and then you can add your domain and then click on create. So in this way you can create redirection. So someone visit this domain, then that user will redirect to this domain. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.